Hey everyone, welcome to today's live Q&A session. I'm thrilled to have you here. Whether you're tuning in live or catching the replay, this is your chance to get answers to all your questions about credit, saving, investing, and managing your finances in the US. I know that navigating the financial system, especially if you're new to credit, new to the country, or just trying to rebuild your score, can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to break things down for you step by step. Go ahead and drop your questions in the chat and I'll answer as many as I can. Also, if you're watching the replay, leave your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to reply or cover them in a future video. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss my live sessions. Now, let's get started. Question 1. What's the best way to start building credit from scratch? Great question. If you have no credit history, don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. Here are the best ways to begin. 1. Apply for a secured credit card. A secured credit card works like a regular credit card, but you put down a small deposit as collateral. This deposit acts as your credit limit. Example, you deposit $200 and that becomes your spending limit. As you use it responsibly, your credit score improves and eventually you can upgrade to an unsecured card. 2. Become an authorized user. If a family member or close friend has a good credit history, they can add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their on-time payments and credit history will start reflecting on your report, helping you build credit faster. Important tip, make sure they have a good credit history, otherwise it could hurt your score instead of helping. 3. Get a credit builder loan. Many banks and credit unions offer small loans designed specifically for building credit. You make monthly payments, and once the loan is paid off, the full amount is released to you. 4. Use a rent reporting service. Did you know you can get credit for paying rent on time? Some services, like Experian Boost, allow you to report your rent payments to credit bureaus, helping you establish credit. Key takeaway, the goal is to show that you can handle credit responsibly by making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low. Question 2, should I pay off my credit card in full or carry a small balance? This is one of the biggest credit myths out there. The best practice is to pay your credit card in full every month. Carrying a balance does not help your score, it just makes you pay unnecessary interest. Here's how to do it right. Make small purchases on your credit card, like groceries or gas. Pay off the balance before the due date. Keep your credit utilization below 10%. This means if your limit is $1,000, try not to spend more than $100. Key takeaway, paying in full shows lenders that you're responsible, while also keeping your finances in check. Question 3, how do I remove negative items from my credit report? If you have negative items, like late payments or collections, you might be able to get them removed. Here's how. Step 1, get a free copy of your credit report. You can check your report for free at annualcreditreport.com, review all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to look for errors. Step 2, dispute any inaccuracies. If you find an error, like a payment marked late when you paid on time, you can file a dispute online with the credit bureaus. They have 30 days to investigate and respond. Step 3, try a goodwill letter. If the negative item is accurate but was a one-time mistake, you can write a goodwill letter to the creditor asking them to remove it as a courtesy. Step 4, negotiate a pay-for-delete on collections. If you have accounts in collections, call the creditor and negotiate. Some will agree to remove the account from your report if you pay the balance. Key takeaway, disputing errors and negotiating with creditors can sometimes boost your score quickly. Question 4, how do I increase my credit score fast? If you need a quick boost, here are some pro tips. Lower your credit utilization. Pay down your credit card balances to under 10% of your limit. As for a credit limit increase, this instantly improves your utilization ratio. Become an authorized user. Piggybacking on someone's good credit helps boost your score. Make all payments on time. Even one late payment can drop your score by 100 points. Dispute negative items. Fixing errors can increase your score in as little as 30 days. If you do these things, you could see an improvement in your credit score in just a few months. Question 5, how do I avoid financial scams? Watch out for these red flags. Guaranteed approval. Credit repair services. No one can legally erase accurate information. calls or emails asking for your SSN or credit card info. Banks will never ask for sensitive details over the phone. Advance fee loan scams. Legitimate lenders don't ask for money up front. Fake debt collectors. Always verify a debt before making any payments. Key takeaway: if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Final thoughts. Thank you for joining. That was an amazing session. Thank you to everyone who sent in questions. This community is all about learning and growing together. Quick recap. Pay your credit cards in full. Build credit with secured cards, rent reporting, and small loans. Dispute errors on your credit report. Avoid scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on smart financial habits to keep your credit score strong. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments. I might do another live Q&A soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.